Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can show your voice club on your IMO's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To show your voice club on your IMO's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your IMO application on your device. The home page of IMO will be displayed on the screen. Tap on human icon at the top left corner of the page. Click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your IMO's account. Click on Functions. Now slide the slider of Show Voice Club to the right side to turn it on. This is how you can show Voice Club on your IMO's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.